friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today it is a very exciting video here on my channel. It is my September Stitch Fix unboxing. I am so obsessed with filming these videos. As you guys know, I do one once a month here on my channel, unboxing the 5 clothes that I get personally styled for me by a stylist at Stitch Fix, and I just love getting these boxes, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright friends, and as always, before we get into the actual clothes, I am going to be doing the try on portion after this part of the video so you guys can see what everything looks like on my body. Also, quick shout out, this was a shirt I got in last month's Stitch Fix unboxing and I'm so obsessed with it. It's just so fun. All right, so real quick, starting off on the top, we have this really cute, oh fun, like white, what do you call this? Like more chiffon button down top. This looks pretty sheer. Again, we've talked about this on my channel. I don't wear white very often because I can never keep it clean. So we'll see how this goes. But this is the hide pocket detail sleeveless blouse in white size small from Sierran. This, yeah, is pretty cute. It looks a little more mature. I think like we talked about in last month's Stitch Fix unboxing, I'm trying to get Stitch Fix to send me things that are a little more age appropriate. I'm only 27. Some of the stuff I felt like was a bit mature, kind of along these lines. Like obviously you could definitely make this cute, but initial reaction, I'm not super in love with it. The quality seems pretty good. It's a pretty heavy shirt. So, oh, and it's got a lining in it too as well. So that's actually pretty nice. So yeah, we'll try this on, see what I think. Next, another cute, fun shirt. This is, ooh, super cute. So obviously we're moving more into fall, but summer here in California still consists, for me at least, all the way through probably most of September because it gets so flipping hot here. So this actually is really cute. This is a like kind of lilac-y dusty purple with these flower details on it and these really cute like cross details at the top. Like how cute is that? And then in the back, I love this. This is more of like that stretchy jersey material. I don't know how this will necessarily wash, but we'll see how this goes. But this is super cute. And I think with a pair of shorts, this is gonna be awesome. So yeah, we'll try this on, see what it looks like. Oh, and real quick, this is the Paper Moon Basmina back detail knit top in light purple size small. Next, we have, I think, I don't know what this is. Hold on. Seriously, what is this? Dress? Dress. Dress? Dress. Okay. So this is interesting. This is, oh, okay, it's like a wrap dress. Okay, so this is a really cute, like kind of, almost it reminds me of like 1950s kind of like housewife-ish, because it's got the like ruffle detail. The print is really cute, like in this red and blue, if you guys can see that. And this is the Max Studio Miley ruffle detail wrap midi dress in red size small. Typically wrap dresses aren't my go-to, but I'm willing to try this. This is pretty cute. It looks like midi length, which also may be kind of interesting for me based on my proportions. Could be an interesting fit, but yeah, willing to give it a try. This definitely also has more of a, what is this material called? Not chiffon. It's definitely more of a rougher texture. Guys, I'm not a seamstress. I don't know materials very well, so I apologize for that. Let me see if I can find maybe more polyester. That's the word I'm looking for. This is, yeah, 96% polyester, 4% spandex. So yeah, definitely has that polyester-y type feel for sure. Second to last item, this is, oh, okay. Cute. So if you guys saw my Stitch Fix unboxing from last month, I got a romper, which was pretty much identical to this, which is the jumpsuit version. So this is a blue scalloped top with the little scalloped pockets, literally pretty much identical, except that it has pants from the one that I got last month, which I'm obsessed with, by the way, and I love jumpsuits and rompers, so I'm actually really stoked about this. This is the Market & Spruce Chandelle Scallop Detail Jumpsuit in navy size small. So big fan. Also, it has a little keyhole in the back, super cute. I'm very into this, especially for fall. I think this will be the perfect transitional outfit. Big fan, big fan. All right, guys, and the last item that I have in my box this month are, ooh, these are super cute. These are some plain black ripped bottom shorts. I've gotten one other pair of shorts from Stitch Fix, again, in last month's box. I loved last month's box, if you couldn't tell, and they were fit really well, actually. So these are let's see, what are these? The Just Black Ansel Frayed Hem Short in black size 0. What's nice about these is they're not ripped up and destroyed, because most of my shorts that I do have in black are distressed. So these are actually kind of nice to not have those rips in them. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about the length. They do look a little long. We'll have to try them on and see. You all know how this works. So yeah, these are actually really cute though. I'm pretty into it. I don't know if I said... these are a 25 too, a 0 or a 25, which tends to fit me pretty well, and they do feel pretty stretchy. All right, guys, so that was everything I got in this month's Stitch Fix for September, and now let's go ahead and jump into the try-on portion. Hi, friends. Okay, so this is what I'm definitely gonna need your guys' feedback on, because I have no idea how I feel about this dress. I feel a little like a little school, like Little House on the Prairie school teacher vibes. However, the fit of this is fantastic. It cinches me in at the waist really well. It's very flowy. It's super comfortable. I feel like it's low cut, but it's not too booby. I need to let you guys tell me what you think of this, because I have no idea. So comments below, please. All right, friends, next pieces of attire. We have the purple kind of jersey material tank top, which I'm actually really obsessed with. I feel like this will transition really well into fall, just because of the coloring and the patterns. Super cute, and it's super comfortable. And then the shorts fit pretty well. They're pretty comfortable, very stretchy, but the length on them is a little longer than what I typically go for. So I'm thinking I might cuff them or roll them when I wear them. Still debatable on this one. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, friends, this is another one you're gonna have to help me out with. I'm not sold on this shirt. Again, I never wear white because I can't keep white things clean. And the undershirt on this is good. The fit is a bit, I don't know, it's just not super comfortable. It's not what I normally go for style-wise. So let me know what you guys think. Maybe if it's something I like tuck in, or I don't know. I'm not sold on it, so let me know what you guys think. All right, friends, so here is something that without a doubt is 100% my vibe. It is this super cute jumpsuit, and again, it's in the exact same style as the romper that I got a few last box, and it's super fitted. I feel like it just makes me look teeny tiny. It's got the cute button detail in the back. I'm very obsessed with this. All right, friends, that was everything that I got this month in my September Stitch Fix. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, please let me know down in the comments below which items were your favorite. Which ones do you think I should send back? I'd love to hear from you guys and talk to you in the comments. It's my favorite. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!